Alright everyone, I'm back out here with the WINGSLAND S6, but I got a new battery. Okay, I went and paid 29 bucks for a new battery. I'm hoping this new battery will maybe get me some more flight time. Who knows? I got 9 satellites. Let me start the video. Video is started. Let's see what happens. I just want to see if it'll get me some more flight time. Let's try to follow me again. It doesn't seem to rotate. It is actually moving, but it's not actually turned toward me. It's just going in my direction a little bit. Okay, so we're going to exit the follow me. Now we're going to try that point of interest again. Okay, well, it's trying to do it. What you do is you just set it on the point of interest, and then you just bring it back to where you want it to rotate around, and then you just stop it, you know. It can be as wide as, I guess, maybe the battery would hold up. Okay, so I'm down to 60% battery, and I've been flying for 3 minutes. So maybe I will get more than 5 minutes this time. But of course, other times it would drop from 60 down to 20 like in a second, so. I'm just letting it do its thing right here. It's got 17 satellites on here. So, okay, I'm exiting out of that. I got it in the slow speed, by the way. No, I don't. I have it in the high speed, actually. So, I was wrong about that. I'm about 12 meters up. I have no idea. I don't remember what the geofence is on this thing. It has one. I know it does. I've seen it in the manual. I just don't remember. But it's very slow. If I could get some decent performance out of this thing. Okay, so now I'm at 50% and I'm I'm at 4.5 minutes. So this new battery seems like it's going to do the trick. That other battery the one I got when I bought it must have been no good. So I'm going to get more flight time. If I get more flight time out of it, it's worth buying the controller. It's just not worth buying the controller for that 5 minutes. If I can get more than 5 minutes, if I can get 8 minutes, I'll be happy, believe me. If I can get 8 minutes out of it, I'll get the controller. There's so many bugs out here, it's unbelievable. I'm getting out of here. Hell with this. Well, now the battery, well, it's only at 30% though, so there's still more flight time in it. You know, I'm not giving up hope yet. Let's just move the pad under the landing. That way I don't have to land it. I can just let it come down on the pad itself. Oh, I'm getting eaten alive out here. Good Lord. Okay, I'm going to stop the video. So at least we'll have that. So it did fly longer, like 7 minutes so far, so that's okay. I'm gonna land it now. Look at that. How do you like that slick maneuver? TDR, kicking the landing pad under the drone instead of landing it on there. Pretty slick, man. Pretty slick. Alright, boys. I'm getting out of here, man. It's freaking boiling. I had like 7 more quadcopters to fly in the trunk. But, man, it's just... these bugs are just chewing me up, man. Alright, guys. I'll talk to you later.